Hello friends, and today we are working on the issue 190 from Jakarta Java Enterprise Edition. And I have a question for the community actually, because you can see those buttons, right? So basically what it does, this stuff runs locally. Basically what it does, it can generate a zip file, which can later be deployed on your enterprise server. But the thing is that not all Enterprise Edition profiles are compatible with all versions of Jakarta EE, right? So when you choose, for example, when you load it by default, so by default the page is like that. I press F5, it goes here, right? And I cannot click versions 9 or 8 unless I know that I need to choose web profile. And in order to actually know that I need to click here, I need to read this text, and there's quite a lot of text, so I will go here. So I will need to read this line to know that I need to click here if I want Jakarta EE8, right? And that's a lot of text, and that's a lot of reading, and to be honest, I don't have a solution. So what should I do? Because what should I do to make those buttons easier to understand? Because right now, actually, how do I go back? That's probably a bug. So if I go, this is interesting. Did we just get a bug? Let me restart. So if I go to Jakarta EE, and then I go to the web profile, and I choose Jakarta EE 9.1, and I go to Java Standard Edition 7. Oh, so now if I need to go to Jakarta EE 10, if I want to turn on core profile, I need to remember about Java Standard Edition 11 here. No, 17. Even is it? How does it work? It smells like a bug. 1 second. So I want to go down to Jakarta. So if I do full platform, it allows me to go here, right? Now if I go to Java Standard Edition 8, again, no, it's, wait, something is not right here. Careful. So if I go to Jakarta Standard Edition 11, nothing changes. But if I go to web profile, I can do this. Now I go to Java Standard Edition 11, nothing changes. 8. So if I go to web profile and Java Standard Edition 8, we have a problem. Let's see. So web profile, no, not like this. If I actually go to full platform, now I go Jakarta EE, let's say 8. I go to Java Standard Edition 8, and I go to web. Oh, that's already bad enough. How do I go back? What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to actually, so initial idea of the stream, and probably now I need to turn on my camera, just leave it with me. Okay, now it will look better, I hope. 1 moment. I do have a camera which might even work. Might not. Let me see. Oh, because my camera is disconnected, that's why. 1 second. 1 second. much better. So now I should be able to, yeah. Now you can see me. Okay, so I'm a bit lost here because it looks like a bug. If I go F5, oh, that also looks like a bug. 1 second. So 2 bugs here, right? First one is if I refresh, this stuff keeps jumping. So that's bug number 1. 1 second. I want to create a small notepad with bugs, Jakarta EE bugs. 1 second. Jakarta EE bugs. Number 1. Jakarta EE. Actually, it will be just here. Jakarta. So number 1, F5 at this address, which is localhost, right? Makes runtime jump. And number 2 is the bug with this stuff. I'll refresh. If I go full platform and I go Jakarta EE8 and I go Jakarta SE8, then even if I go here, it won't. So you go full platform, you go here, you go here, and now there's no way you can enable Jakarta EE10, and that's bug number 2 of today. Whew. To be honest, it's like, it's a weird feeling because the person who created the stuff, it's a very knowledgeable person, and there's a huge amount of work actually. Well, 2 days for like a very experienced developer, I would say. But this way, if it is a bug, well, I helped a little bit, I hope, with 2 bugs. And if it's not a bug, then good, I will learn something. So actually, let me post it as an example of open source contribution for Jakarta EE. It's a way easier than I thought. So let's see where we go from here, and live long and prosper. Bye.